Hey, so let's explore what are replays in Clubhouse app. So here I am in Clubhouse app, and if you update it to the latest version when you start a room, now in the top part you have this toggle which is enabled by default and is called replays. It's basically a room replays, and you can save the full audio of the room for everyone to enjoy later. You can share far and wide after or disable replays now to keep it off the record. So that's just how you can enable replays. And then and then in the room you will see replays on. So while I'm speaking here is my replays on. I can disable replays. I can see all other options, but meanwhile my room is being recorded. So that's like a long-awaited feature of the Clubhouse where the rooms are finally recorded and you can find past recordings of the conversations. So let's explore what are some other features of that replace thingy. So if I just go to what's new in Clubhouse, here's I describe their update. So replace. So this is how it just have these small video clips, audio clips, which is available for public rooms. And when replays are enabled, anyone on Clubhouse can replay the entire experience whenever they like. They will get to see the same elements of a live room, like live quietly and watch the dynamic of the stage and audience and all of that, who is leaving the room, who is asking questions. So it's not just like, the dumb audio recording, but you can see all the Clubhouse live experience of that. So you can pin links to any segment. You can skip to the next speaker. You can skip forward 30 seconds if you like to speed things up. You can see who is joining. So yeah, there is something special about seeing the friends around you and caring about who is listening, and you can download the source file and all of that. So for example, I'm back in Clubhouse, and then I can, let's say, here I can just tap leave, and that's the end of my room. If I then just go here, I still don't know where I would find this replays. Probably they will be somewhere in the clubs, or let's just find it together. So for example, if you have all these conversations, can we find replays somewhere here? So let's just explore that. So I had replace enabled, and then they should be available in the profile. And then if you go to the room, you can see replace off here, for example. And then if I go to this club, I can see the replace. Okay, so I can see in the replace in the club history. So that's super. That's where you can find all the replays. So yep, that's the idea. That's how it works. And then if I go to the club, and then I just want to listen to some replays. Here is how it will look like. Here is basically you can skip here, you can see, so it's basically like video recording of the whole like Clubhouse experience. So it's not just like an audio file. Then from here I can set like hide me from the audience. I can share this replays. I like can see the community guidelines. I can change the speed of replays and all of that. So that's the idea. And then also I can share clips of that. So that's it. So that's the replays. If you want to disable replays while you start in the room, you can just, so for example, if I want to start my own room, and then I can just disable replays. Or in the room, I can just tap on three dots in the top right, and like that, I will disable replays in Clubhouse. So hope that is helpful.